Hi friends, today we are going to the study of enthalpies of physical transformations. There are two major types. First one is enthalpy of phase transition and second is enthalpy of atomic or molecular changes. Firstly, we can see the enthalpy of phase transition. Enthalpy of phase transition. In phase transition, one phase of substance is converted into another at constant temperature and pressure without change in chemical composition. It's very simple. In all these things, temperature and pressure always constant. The enthalpy of phase transition has three different ways. First one, enthalpy of fusion. Second, enthalpy of vaporization. And third, enthalpy of sublimation. Then we can see one by one. First, enthalpy of fusion. It is denoted by delta FUS, capital H. That is the symbol of enthalpy of fusion. Definition. The enthalpy changes that takes place when 1 mole of solid is converted into liquid without change in temperature at constant pressure is called enthalpy of fusion. We can see example of this enthalpy of fusion. This is solid ice. Here is only 1 mole that is converted into liquid water. And its change in enthalpy, that means enthalpy of fusion, FUS, is equal to plus 6.01 kilojoule per mole at 0 degrees Celsius. The description of this example is like this. When 1 mole of solid ice melts at 0 degrees Celsius and 1 atmospheric pressure, the change in enthalpy is 6.01 kilojoule. Now we can see one note, the reverse of fusion. Reverse of fusion. Reverse of fusion. A reverse of fusion is freezing of solid, and its example, exact reverse of this enthalpy of fusion. Example, H2O liquid converted into H2O, that means ice, and is enthalpy of freezing is equal to opposite of this minus 6.01 kilojoule per mole at 0 degrees Celsius. Hence, 1 mole of liquid water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. Then 6.01 kilojoule heat is evolved. That is, negative symbol stands for heat is evolved, and here positive symbol, that means heat is absorbed. Then now we can see the second, enthalpy of vaporization. Enthalpy of vaporization. It is denoted by delta VAP, capital H. Firstly, definition. Definition of Enthalpy of vaporization. The enthalpy change accompanying the vaporization of 1 mole of liquid without change in temperature at constant pressure is called enthalpy of vaporization. And its example is simple. The vaporization of 1 mole of liquid water, H2O, that means water. We are writing here liquid, its physical state of water. It vaporizes into liquid vapors or water vapors, H2O, your gaseous state, and its change in enthalpy, that is the enthalpy of vaporization, delta VAP capital H, is equal to plus 40 kilojoule per mole, 40 kilojoule per mole at 100 degrees Celsius. I am again writing this example, changing this temperature, that means at 25 degrees Celsius temperature, the vaporization of 1 mole of water into gaseous state at 25 degrees Celsius. Therefore, its enthalpy of vaporization is equal to plus 44 kilojoule per mole at 25 degrees Celsius. That means in both cases, in first case the temperature is higher, in second case the temperature is lower. That means if temperature is lower, there is enthalpy of vaporization is more, and if temperature is higher, the enthalpy of vaporization is less. That means hence 1 mole of water is vaporized at 1 atmospheric pressure. The enthalpy change is 40 kilojoule per mole at 100 degrees Celsius and 44 kilojoule per mole at 25 degrees Celsius. We can see again note of this. Note. The reverse of enthalpy of vaporization, that is the condensation of liquid, and condensation of liquid is accompanied, condensation of liquid is accompanied with release of heat. We can see the example, exact opposite of this or this example, H2O gaseous state converted into liquid state, and it's the enthalpy of condensation, delta CON H is equal to minus 40 kilojoule per mole at 100 degrees Celsius. These are the examples of this enthalpy of vaporization and reverse enthalpy of vaporization, that is condensation of a liquid. Now, the third way of enthalpy of phase transition is the enthalpy of sublimation. This is denoted by delta SUB capital H. Firstly, definition of enthalpy of sublimation. Sublimation means the solids are directly converted into its vapor state. The definition is the enthalpy change for the conversion of 1 mole of solid directly into vapor at constant temperature and pressure is called enthalpy of sublimation. Its example, this is solid ice, that is 1 mole of solid ice, I am writing here S, is directly converted into its vapor state, that means gaseous state of water, and the change in enthalpy, that is the enthalpy of sublimation, delta SUB capital H, is equal to plus 51.08 kilojoule, plus 51.08 kilojoule per mole at 0 degrees Celsius. It takes place in one step or in two steps. First, melting of solid, and second, vaporization of liquid. The change in enthalpy is same as the enthalpy is state function. These two steps at 0 degrees Celsius. First one step is the solids converted into liquid, that is H2O solid converted into H2O, that means water liquid, and its enthalpy of fusion delta FUS is equal to plus 6.01 kilojoule per mole. And in second step, this is the vaporization of liquid. This is second step, vaporization of this liquid water H2O liquid converted into vapor state of water Z delta VAP H is equal to 45.07 kilojoule per mole. 45.07 kilojoule per mole. Both are at 0 degrees Celsius. Now the net reaction of this net, the cancelling commons here, liquid water gets cancelled, right side also liquid water gets cancelled. Write the remaining part as it is. This H2O solid arrow, and after this directly write H2O gaseous state and its change in enthalpy, that means the enthalpy of sublimation delta SUB capital H is equal to addition of these two enthalpies, that is the enthalpy of fusion and enthalpy of vaporization. Therefore this is totally exact equal to this plus 51.08 kilojoule per mole. Now the relation between enthalpy of fusion, enthalpy of vaporization and enthalpy of sublimation is as like this. The enthalpy of sublimation, that is enthalpy SUB H is equal to enthalpy of fusion plus enthalpy of vaporization. This is the relation between these three ways, that is enthalpy of sublimation, enthalpy of fusion and enthalpy of vaporization. Now we can see the schematic representation of these three ways, that is enthalpy of sublimation, enthalpy of fusion and enthalpy of vaporization. I am writing here first line, second line and then third line. Okay, this is solid, this is liquid and this is the gaseous state. In enthalpy of fusion, solids are converted into liquid state, that is fusion, and this is the enthalpy of fusion FUSH. And in second state, that means enthalpy of vaporization, the liquid converted into vapor state, that is vaporization. Vaporization, that is the enthalpy of vaporization VAPH, and addition of these two, that means the enthalpy of sublimation. Solids are directly converted into gaseous state. This is sublimation, and we can write here the symbol of enthalpy of sublimation delta SUB H. This is the schematic representation of the relation between enthalpy of sublimation, enthalpy of fusion and enthalpy of vaporization. Thank you.